It's in a seal. Using the pop chef a seal.
What is this?
That's what we're gonna review, dude. That's our product.
What is this? Alright. This is key with the word prior. For best results, prior, slice food 1 inch thick or thinner. Okay. Pop Chef needs air pressure to pop fruit from cutter. I don't know what this cutter is. I don't know what's going on. Is this a cutter? Because that's what's in the picture. There you go. Parts list. Awesome. Parts list. This is a sternum. That's a cutter, and that's an air bulb.
Okay.
And these are dislodging tools. Those aren't skewers.
Dislodging.
Slice food 1 inch thick. Do not exceed 1 inch. So, okay, that's 1 out of 3 dimensions. I'm not really sure what's going on, but I don't know the other 2 dimensions. It's not giving me any information on. Right. So I'm not going to exceed 1 inch. Okay. So there's 1 dimension, 1 inch thick. I don't know what the other dimension should be. Okay. So I've gathered the tools, which it should have designated me to do, is to gather the tools I need before designating the steps. Not knowing what tools. Now that I know exactly what tools, gathering tools, so I've gathered all the tools, which should have been step 1. Okay, instead of telling me to get food and do all this stuff, okay. If food gets stuck inside the cutter, was I supposed to do that? And this like pushes it out.
Why are you using this?
Because this is, okay. I don't know. So there we go, we got the finished product. Gently poke. Gently poking won't do anything. Okay. Okay. Air pressure. I don't even know if this is what this is supposed to do. I'm just robbing this fruit of its innocence. This is just wrong. Okay. No. Make certain stem is properly locked into cutter prior to use. I don't know why that's step number last. That's literally the last step. I kind of took my time and went over all these directions. I looked at the cover. If you look at the cover, there's just like 90% of the stuff that's on the skewers are grapes. Is that a tea kettle? We're putting it in a tea kettle. Okay. I need a shit ton of grapes for this to work.
It is a tea kettle, man. It's a tea kettle, dude.
This seems more like a warning to fruit. Oh, look at that.
I really do too. I think that's a good looking piece of art there.
We could guess too, like,
It's a piece of work, dude.
Just
What happened to this one?
Ask me.